Hi, it's the Florida Law Guy. Today we're going to talk about the differences between felonies and misdemeanors, the different types of misdemeanors, whether it's a first-degree or second-degree misdemeanor, and how sometimes a second-degree misdemeanor can be transformed into a first-degree misdemeanor, and how a first-degree misdemeanor can also be transformed into a third-degree felony based upon a person's prior record. There are two types of crimes in Florida, felonies and misdemeanors. The difference between a misdemeanor and felony is easy. A felony is a crime in which the potential maximum sentence is more than 1 year in prison. A misdemeanor is a crime in which the potential maximum sentence is 1 year or less in the county jail. It doesn't matter whether the judge actually puts someone in jail or not. It's the potential maximum sentence that determines a felony or misdemeanor, not the actual sentence. In other words, some people are given probation sentences instead of incarceration for felonies, while others are sentenced to county jail for misdemeanors. In Florida, misdemeanors are heard in county court in front of county court judges, and felonies are heard in circuit court in front of circuit court judges. If a person is charged with both felonies and misdemeanors arising out of the same incident, the misdemeanor charges are normally handled by the judge handling the felony in circuit court. Now, there are two types of misdemeanors: first-degree misdemeanors and second-degree misdemeanors. Second-degree misdemeanors are the less serious crimes than first-degree misdemeanors. The maximum sentence for a second-degree misdemeanor is 60 days in the county jail and a $500 fine. Examples of second-degree misdemeanors are petty theft, reckless driving, and criminal mischief causing damage of less than $200. A theft is considered to be a petty theft if the value of the stolen item is less than $750. If it's worth $749.99, it's a misdemeanor. But if it's worth $750, then it becomes a grand theft, which is a felony punishable by a maximum of 5 years in prison. First-degree misdemeanors are the most serious classification of misdemeanor charges in Florida, and they're punishable by a maximum of 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. Examples of first-degree misdemeanors are simple batteries, criminal mischief causing damage more than $200 but less than $1,000, and possession of marijuana. However, for repeat offenders, a person can be charged with a higher-level misdemeanor or even a felony for crimes that are normally only considered to be misdemeanors. Although petty theft is normally a second-degree misdemeanor, that's only for people without a prior conviction for theft. If a person already has been convicted of a theft crime, a second conviction of petty theft is a first-degree misdemeanor, while a third conviction becomes a felony punishable by 5 years in state prison. So theoretically, a person with 2 convictions for petty theft could go to prison for up to 5 years for simply shoplifting a pack of chewing gum. Likewise, simple batteries are normally first-degree misdemeanors, but again, that is only for people without a prior conviction for battery. A second conviction of battery is a third-degree felony and is punishable by a maximum of 5 years in prison. DUIs are also treated normally as misdemeanors, but they're treated a little bit differently than the other types. First-time DUI convictions are first-degree misdemeanors, but they're punishable by only a maximum of 6 months in jail instead of 1 year in jail. A second-time DUI is punishable by up to a maximum of 9 months in jail, and a third DUI within 10 years of the second conviction is a felony punishable by a maximum of 5 years in prison. However, a third DUI that occurs more than 10 years after the second conviction is also still a misdemeanor, but has a maximum penalty of 1 year in county jail. So DUIs are a little bit different. It's completely free, so please support my mission to help make Florida law simple for the public to understand by liking and clicking the subscribe button. The way YouTube's algorithms work, the more likes and subscriptions a channel gets, the easier it is for others to be able to find it. So by subscribing, you'll also be helping others. Thanks for watching. See you next time.